The warning was clear and the message even clearer. And this time it wasn't delivered behind any closed door. It was delivered on a public platform in front of powerful voices, with the world listening very carefully. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri, and at a very high profile gathering in the US, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu revealed a conversation that could reshape the Middle East power balance entirely. A conversation with the US President Donald Trump. And what he revealed, it was explosive. Netanyahu said that he delivered a blunt message to Washington. Any future deals with Iran cannot just slow down nuclear activity here. According to him, it must go much further. It must completely dismantle Iran's nuclear infrastructure, not reduced, not monitored, not partially limited. Destroy it entirely. Well, the statement came during his address to the powerful conference of presidents of major American Jewish organizations. And Netanyahu did not hold back. Well, he argued that partial agreement with Iran, they are dangerous. Because, in his point of view, if Iran keeps even a small part of its nuclear capability, it keeps the potential to build a nuclear weapon in near future. And for Israel, ladies and gentlemen, that is unacceptable risk. But the revelation did not stop there. Netanyahu hinted at something even more dramatic. Well, he suggested that Washington is thinking beyond nuclear facilities here. That if diplomacy fails, military options could expand rapidly and aggressively. First, target nuclear sites, then escalate towards the broader missile capability. That is the message analysts believe was signaled over there. And in the Middle East, such signals are never ignored. But while nuclear tensions dominate the headline, another war continues burning in that particular region. The war in Gaza Strip. And Netanyahu made it crystal clear that Israel is not stepping back. He said Israeli forces are determined to finish dismantling the underground tunnel network used by Hamas. Well, these tunnels, often described as a hidden battlefield beneath the streets of Gaza, have played a major role in militant operations here. In fact, according to him, around 150 kilometers of tunnels have already been destroyed. But intelligence estimates suggest that nearly 500 kilometers may exist in near total. You know what that exactly means? The war underground is far from over. Now, this dual conflict, nuclear diplomacy with Iran and military operations in Gaza, is creating one of the most dangerous strategic moments in the Middle East. Because every single decision now carries global consequences. If talks with Iran collapse, military tensions could rise dramatically. If the Gaza war continues expanding, regional stability could weaken further. And that's the reality few openly discuss. The Middle East today is not dealing with one conflict. It is balancing multiple overlapping crises. Nuclear fears, proxy war, political rivalries, military confrontation, all happening simultaneously. Well, for Israel, the message is simple: prevent Iran from ever becoming a nuclear capable country, no matter what the cost is. But for Iran, its nuclear program is tied to national pride, security, and regional influence. For the US, the challenge is balancing diplomacy, deterrence, and alliance commitment here. And for the rest of the world, the fear is simple. When nuclear tensions rise, even small miscalculation could trigger massive consequences.